Christine, bragging is never a good look. And in this case, bragging has turned a case upside down. Take a look at the video that now has gone viral. It's an attorney's celebratory video posted on their social media that has many people enraged.
We managed to sock 3 lawyers in the face.
Pay close attention to the boasting made by Robert McKenna III, explaining how he won a medical malpractice lawsuit.
A guy that was probably negligently killed, but we kind of made it look like other people did it.
The Huntington Beach attorney goes on to say,
and we actually had a death certificate that said he died the very way the plaintiff said he died, and we had to say, no, you really shouldn't believe what that death certificate says, or the coroner from the Orange County Coroner's Office who says it says what it says and that it's right.
It's enraging. I never thought lawyers would ring a bell of winning a case of somebody who has passed away.
Joanna and Catherine Garcia lost their father, Enrique Garcia Sanchez, at the age of 49. In 2017, he went into the hospital with abdominal pain. In a lawsuit filed by his family, they allege Dr. Issam Karachi accidentally punctured Enrique's colon. They allege that led to his death. Attorney McKenna defended the doctor.
He was trying to pinpoint everybody to the blame to everybody besides his doctor.
Throughout the trial, the Garcia sisters say the defense attorney accused them of extortion. And they say he painted a horrible picture of their father, saying he caused his own death because he drank too much.
It was really rough to watch all the attacks towards his image in the trial.
McKenna managed to convince the jury his client had not been negligent.
It was the fastest defense verdict Esther's ever gotten.
I was disappointed. I was gutted, a little embarrassed because of what he said.
Remember, McKenna said they managed to sock 3 lawyers in the face? Here they are. Shireen Bobby, Jorge Ledesma, and Jose Robles. They are the attorneys for Enrique's family.
It's a shame that we're over here trying to get justice for our clients who lost their father. And on the flip side, it's just a game to the other side where they're running around ringing victory bells because at the end of the day, they fooled and lied to a jury.
But after watching the bragging made by McKenna, an Orange County judge has thrown out the winning malpractice verdict and has granted a new trial.
Back to square one, and we are, ready to have another trial. Hopefully this time we'll get justice.
The truth always comes out regardless of how things go. You try to hide it in so many ways, but it always comes out.
The new attorney representing the doctor in the middle of this controversy issued a statement that says in part, a jury of Dr. Karachi's peers held in a 12-0 verdict that he did nothing wrong, was in no way responsible for the death of Mr. Garcia. The motion for new trial was granted as a result of the false statements by Dr. Karachi's prior counsel, Robert L. McKenna III. Mr. McKenna made these admittedly fallacious statements to embellish his trial skills, and he made them in disregard of the truth. Now, we reached out to Mr. McKenna, but never heard back from him. A hearing on this case has been scheduled for October 21st. Alex, Christine, I'll send it back to you guys in the studio.